Hi, I'm Thelisha Eaddy, host, reporter, and producer at South Carolina Public Radio and South Carolina ETV. Many years ago, I took radio and television production courses here at Trident Technical College. It was one of the most exciting times of my educational career. I knew I wanted to work in broadcasting, but I wasn't exactly sure in what capacity. So, over the course of a summer and a fall semester, I learned the ins and outs of operating broadcast studio cameras, field cameras, script writing, photography, and of course, operating a professional radio board. My time at Trident Tech allowed me to get valuable hands-on experience in just about every aspect of news production, and it was those skills that helped open many doors for me throughout my career as a radio announcer, a morning and afternoon show host, a digital journalist in both radio and television, public and commercial. I'm really grateful for my time at Trident Tech, the opportunity to learn from wonderful people and to meet new friends, and I am so excited to share my story with you.